Oh, I've been looking for you for a long time. Come on. Alright, gotta put the potion on. Alright. Definitely that did something. Wait, where'd he go? Oh, shoot. He's gone. Oh, no. Ah, what a peaceful day. Ah, what the? Hey guys, welcome back to Chimpanzee News. So today, at the mall today, some guy got murdered by a guy named Will. It was like crazy. I was there, I just straight up, like a lot of people ran. It was crazy. So, if you find this man, $50,000 reward if you find him. Who will solve this problem? Wonder who. That's Chimpanzee News. Thank you for watching. Can I have one banana, please?
Sure.
How much will that be?
100 cents.
Here. Take my card. Alright, thanks. I gotta go to another store to get Henry's gift and his cupcake. Oh, shoot! I'm sorry, bro.
Where are you going? Okay, it's fine. You wanna join my game, bro?
Nah. I'm good.
Why?
Because I just don't want to. I'm not really
Okay,
good.
that's it.
Whoa! Whoa! Alright, you wanna go to the hard way?
Yeah.
Never
I
joined
heard
it.
that.
Oh, shoot! Never want to join gangs. Hey man, do you know where the cupcakes are?
Oh yeah, they're over there.
Okay. How much would this be?
It'll be 100 shiny rocks.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day. You know what? Since my brother's a superhero, I want to be.
One.
Gotta find a way to destroy the world.
So Mason, you want to become a superhero?
Yeah, just like my brother.
Well, you're gonna need some gadgets. So come to me and Henry's lab. Come on.
Okay.
Hey Henry. Your brother Mason found out that you were a superhero, and now he wants to be one, like us.
All right. I'll go make some gadgets.
All right, Mason. While he's doing that, we're gonna get you an outfit like us. All right, so follow me. All right, Mason. While he's working on your gadget, you gotta take care of this. I just got this at a gun store. You gotta take really good care of this. You promise?
I promise.
All right, here you go. Oh, there he is.
Hey Mason, I got something. Hold on. So I got this thing. It may look like a normal card, but watch. It has gunpowder in it.
Dang, that's kind of cool, Henry.
Thanks.
Alright, y'all. Let's go fight some crime.
Let me get out the.
Alright, y'all. There's a robber enforced. Alright?
Okay.
Let's go.
Time for some movie.
Come on, Mason. There's a robber down there. Come on, let's go.
Time.
Look, y'all, there he is. Come on, let's get him. Alright, we're just taking. Let's take him to the cops. Get over here. Alright.
I got a prisoner. I'll take him in.
Go. Think about what you're doing. Alright, y'all, let's go. Happy birthday, Henry!
Happy birthday, Henry! Thank you.
We got your cupcake and your cake, and we got you a gift. Me and Mason bought this for you.
Hold on. We gotta. I kind of got too hungry and I ate it all.
That's fine, Mason. Hey, at least you got a cupcake.
Oh!
Yeah!
I found your piece. Oh, hold on. Here, I think someone gave it just me as a secret. I found your piece.
Whoa! Wait, y'all hear that noise? The news is on. Chimpanzee news.
Oh, bad.
Welcome back to Chimpanzee News. So, in Chimpanzee City, there's a villain named Ravager. He's attacking the whole entire city. So, somebody, please send help over there. He's destroying this whole entire city. Somebody has to do something. He is destroying the whole entire Chimpanzee City. Buildings are getting crashed down. Everything's going bad. That is Chimpanzee News. Thank you.
Finally, my plan has.
Duh! 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 Let's go get him.
I'll be back, Bee-Hive. I'm gonna make a potion that's gigantic, and then I can definitely destroy Bee-Hive. What the?
No. Oh shoot! Well, how was he big? Wait, who is this?
No.
Mason, I need a little bit of help over here. Henry. Oh shoot! Whoa! Oh! Shoot. Die! Die! Do something.
I don't know what to do. Oh.
I'm getting out of here. Come on. Oh shoot, Mason, are you okay? Oh shoot, his arms are bleeding.
Henry's still at the lab. Take me to the hospital. I think I broke my arm.
All right, come on. All right, Doc. So my buddy here, he got his arms are like, I think, broken. He told me that he fell off a building and yeah, he broke his arms.
I'll get right to him.
All right.
And the X-ray.
Good luck, Mason. Henry, your brother got injured.
Oh, I mean, I never wanted to even. I didn't even want him to be a hero, anyways.
Yo, let's just go.
since I'm not a superhero for saving Bee-Hive from that big old monster, I'm gonna get my revenge.
Hey, alright, Henry, you just want to go, like, chill here? Come on, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Oh. What the heck? What? Oh, shoot. This guy's strong. Die! I told you I'm not through with you. Oh my god. I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna take you to the cops. Come on. Oh no! Oh, shoot. Oh my god.